Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing um an eyebrow tutorial. Yeah, my face is kind of rough and my hair, you guys shouldn't mount my hair, so I'm just gonna start now. And this is my eye pencil. I'm gonna be using this for my symbol. Before then I will just use my brush to just like brush up my eyebrow because I actually like using this one. Yes, so this is how I do it. So after that, I'm just gonna use my eye pencil to like say draw the distance. Like I don't know what to say again. So I'm just gonna do that. Do the like draw the shape I want. So this is how I do my own. I always like my eyebrow to look natural, like my makeup to look natural, because I love natural tones. So this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm not just gonna add so much of the eye pencil on my eyebrow, so I'm just gonna add in just one. It's simple because I like simple things. I don't like adding. I don't like too much things because too much things kills. So that's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm just gonna do is to use this brush again. Is that same brush I used for the last time. So I've just used to like brush up the filling, some gaps that I just that the eye pencil itself is not there. If you guys really understand what I'm saying. So this is what I'm doing. So that's the way I'm doing it, and really looking good. As you guys can see, it's really working out well for me. So I'm just gonna be using this foundation. Is not actually my color. I don't like using concealer because concealer makes my it gives me a very bad result. I don't really like, so I prefer using foundation. And this foundation is lighter than my skin, so I'm just gonna use it for the middle, like for the under parts, like for the below part of my eyebrow. I'm just gonna do it in the middle, then use foundation is same color with my skin to do the remaining part. You're gonna say, I mean, you'll see what I'm saying, or you'll see what I'm talking about. So the foundation just did in a way I don't like, so I had to use the eye pencil to like fill in that side for the for the foundation not to destroy my my creation. So I'm just gonna go into the foundation as my color, so yours will see what I'm talking about. I actually don't have eyebrow gel or whatever you call it. I actually don't have it, so I'm just gonna be using what I have. But it's gonna turn out right. Doesn't look so professional because I'm not a professional makeup artist, but it's good. Like you can actually draw this to go out, hang out with friends. Hanging out with friends. You don't have to do much makeup. Just do a simple makeup. So I'm just being so gentle on that part so I won't like destroy what I've done. So it's turning out so cool. I didn't even believe I could do that because my previous video I had to do a very worst makeup review and it turned out so bad. And since then I've been trying and watching YouTube videos on how to get my eyebrow done, and this is actually what this is what I've been doing, and I'm really trying. Like it's an improvement. So I'm just gonna use that same foundation in this color of my skin to do my top parts, like above the eyebrow, and it's gonna turn out good. Yeah, it really turned out good. So I was so gentle, or yeah, I was so gentle in that part, so I won't destroy my creation. And this is how I had to do it, and it turned out so fine. Yeah, I was really careful. Yeah, okay, it doesn't look so professional, but Alice is better. It looks kind of flaky.